Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's why to play and win. So the black king is attacking both our piece, which forces us to save one of them, and that would be a rook, of course. But where do we put this rook to win the next move? To win in the next move, what do you think the best move? Okay, welcome back. Here, the first move that comes to your mind is to play rook to c6 by the assumption of if the king takes, this would be a check. This is going to be a check, and we get our piece back. But the problem is here in this position, black has a trick. Black can give bishop to g3 check, and we have to move. And when we move, notice now the king can easily take this, and yes, you can play here, but the king will play king to g7. That is going to be impossible for us, right? So that is the problem, and of course playing rook to c6 is not the correct move. And it's similar idea with this move if we want to try to pin the bishop. If the king takes, we are going to pin the bishop, but that is not possible because of bishop to g3 check. So it's similar thing. When we move the king, black will just take this, and that is sucks. So if we play here literally anything, the bishop will play here. So what do you think? This is not the correct move, this is not the correct move, this is not the correct move. But how about this one? This one looks very nice, and but this is not the correct move either, as a bishop can play, and now this is going to be taken, and we don't have anything to do, right? So the bishop will play bishop to e1, and we don't have anything to do. Soon the bishop will centralize itself and get closer to the king. So this is just a draw. So there is only one move, and that move is rook to e6. So here the idea is now black will play here, giving a check on g3, but we can play king to e2, and when black takes, black of course has to take this, otherwise we are going to just escape with the knight and eventually trade the knight with the bishop, and we are going to win that easily, right? So that is going to be very easy for us. So black has to take that, but we play king to f3. So the idea of rook to e6 is actually to protect this. Previously the bishop can go to e1 square, right? But now the bishop can't go to e1 because of the rook. So the bishop has no moves. This is taken, this is taken, this is taken. The bishop can't move here. The bishop has no moves at all. But how about the remaining move? If the bishop moves here, bishop to h4, we are going to force them, and we are going to easily win the bishop, right? So that is the idea. This is the first safest square for the bishop. The other safest square for the bishop is to play here bishop to c7, but that is a similar thing. The king has to play here. So we just take that, and we are just in time to give the checks, and this is going to be straightforward for us, and this is of course the solution of the puzzle. So if you found all of these details, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. Bye.